A video which Johnny Depp's lawyers say shows his ex-wife, Amber Heard, attacked her sister has been shown to the High Court. In the video which was given to his legal team on Thursday night, friends of Whitney Henriquez suggest her sister had beat her and appeared to inspect her body for bruises. Heard doxes Depp's sister and others, dropping addresses and more. Mr. Depp is suing the publisher of The Sun over an online article that labeled him a wife beater. In the video which was shown to the court on the 14th day of the hearing in London, Ms. Henriquez is talking with friends by a pool. One friend is saying, "Did you get in a fight?" And then, "I can't believe Amber beat your ass." One woman appears to inspect Ms. Henriquez's cheek and arm, and Ms. Henriquez is heard saying she's not going to talk about it. Mr. Depp's barrister David Sherbone said his team received a video from an anonymous source after Ms. Henriquez said in court that her sister had never attacked her. He said the video was captured during the filming of a reality television show in 2006 or 2007 and was not for broadcast, but was the Russia's the unedited raw footage. He told the court, "We were contacted to explain that Ms. Amber Heard had a history of violence and attacking people, and this video, which was attached of her sister Whitney, was taken shortly after Amber Heard had attacked her. And Miss Whitney was filmed with people commenting on bruises on her face and body." Mr. Sherbone said the newly disclosed video material demonstrates Miss Whitney was lying yesterday and that she had tailored her evidence to meet her sister's evidence. Returning to the witness stand, Ms. Henriquez told the court she had been referring in the video to a verbal argument she had had with her sister and denied it had been physical. She said her friends were inferring, trying to make a storyline, albeit a bad one, interesting, nothing more. Ms. Henriquez said Ms. Heard has never hit her and denied being frightened of her sister. She said she had seen Mr. Depp punch Ms. Heard really hard in the head, multiple times in Los Angeles in March 2015. Ms. Henriquez acknowledged that Ms. Heard had punched Mr. Depp on that occasion, but said it was only in my defense because Ms. Heard believed Mr. Depp was going to push Ms. Henriquez down the stairs. Addressing the court on Friday, Mr. Sherbone said Ms. Henriquez's evidence about the so-called stairs incident was the only occasion on which any other human being is supposed to have witnessed Mr. Depp being violent toward Ms. Heard. Mr. Sherbone said Ms. Heard's evidence was that she was never violent. She has not physically attacked Mr. Depp, and the only occasion is said to be when she was acting in self-defense. Evidence that Ms. Heard was violent toward her sister is relevant to that issue, he said. Sasha Was QC, who represents the Sun's publisher, News Group Newspapers or NGN, said she had not been aware of the video until Mr. Sherbone told the court about it and argued it was meaningless. This is an undated piece of film footage in circumstances which appear to be some sort of reality TV program, which is flippant, certainly not serious. She told the court, "This is a light-hearted exchange. There is no evidence of any injuries, and it will take the matter no further." However, Mr. Sherbone, representing Mr. Depp, argued, "We say it is quite clear from that video that not only did Ms. Amber Heard assault her sister, but it was quite clear also that the injuries that were suffered by Ms. Whitney Heard are being examined by the individual that we see on the tape." There is no denial of the fact that Ms. Amber Heard beat up Ms. Whitney Heard and that there are injuries. Depp dictated Heard's work. Ms. Heard's acting coach, Christina Sexton, has also been giving evidence by video link from Australia. In a written witness statement, Ms. Sexton said she had met the actress in 2009 and the pair became friends quite quickly. She said Ms. Heard became a nervous wreck about choosing film roles because she was so worried about Mr. Depp's reaction. Ms. Sexton alleged Mr. Depp dictated his ex-wife work and told her not to take certain jobs because he did not want her doing horror parts. Giving evidence, Ms. Sexton confirmed to Mr. Depp's lawyers, Eleanor Laws QC, that she had not seen the actor hit, kick, or throw anything at Ms. Heard. Under questioning from NGN's lawyer Ms. Was, Ms. Sexton said she had previously been aware of verbal fights between the pair, but in April 2016, Ms. Heard told her Mr. Depp had been hitting her and had tried to strangle her. The libel case, which is due to finish next week, centers on an article published on the Sun's website in April 2018 under the headline "Gone Putty." How can J.K. Rowling be genuinely happy casting wife-beater Johnny Depp in a new Fantastic Beasts film? Johnny Depp's legal team played an anonymous tipster's video at his libel trial Friday aimed at proving ex-wife Amber Heard had a violent streak and once beat up her sister. The last-minute submission came in the third week of Depp's lawsuit against Britain's tabloid The Sun in London High Court over a 2018 story accusing him of being a wife-beater. The Pirates of the Caribbean franchise actor says the false allegation ruined his reputation and cost him lucrative Hollywood jobs. The Sun counters it can back up its claim by 14 cases of abuse against the 34-year-old model and actress in 3-year span leading up to Heard's 2016 decision to file for divorce. Depp's lawyer David Sherbone interrupted planned testimony Friday and asked Judge Andrew Nicol to allow him to play what he called critical new evidence in the case. Nicol agreed despite the star-studded case running behind schedule on what was supposed to be its last day. Amber Heard claimed to a British court on Tuesday that the first time she struck her ex-husband Johnny Depp after years of alleged abuse came in March 2015 when she defended her sister Whitney from being thrown down the stairs. The actress, 34, testified for the defense team on Tuesday during Depp's libel case against a British tabloid The Sun and its parent company, News Group newspaper, which published a 2018 article calling Depp a wife-beater. Last week, Depp, who has denied abusing Heard, testified and presented witnesses to support his case. During her testimony, Heard dismissed accusations that she fabricated allegations of domestic violence against Depp, 57, according to ABC News and The Hollywood Reporter. The Aquaman actress also said she hit Depp for the first time in March 2015 to defend her sister when asked whether she had punched the Pirates of the Caribbean actor with a closed fist. Heard said she had struck him after he had hit both her and her sister. He was about to push her down the stairs, and the moment before that happened, I remember information I had heard that he pushed a former girlfriend, I believe it was Kate Moss, down the stairs, Heard said. I will never forget this incident, she added. It was the first time after all these years.